What is your dream? Most people don't want to do any selling, telling, or explaining, but they want to make money. I do know that. Everybody wants to make money. And what if there was a system? What if there was a science to success? What if there was a tribe, a people that would put it all together, put everything you need under the hood and give you the key, and all you got to do is get in the car and turn it? I want you to DM the person that shared this video with you and get started today. If you want to live the laptop lifestyle, spend your days on the rooftops of buildings in metropolitan cities, and drive exotic cars, and travel the world, and see your dreams become a reality, then you need to join this tribe. DM the person that shared this video with you and get started today. DM the word HOW, and I believe your life will never be the same. I'll see you on the inside.
Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead and click that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? All right, guys, I'm back. I want to talk about textbot, okay? The automated, done-for-you virtual assistant texting software. All right, this software will allow you to earn $100 commissions over and over and over. You don't have to worry about talking to people because Ava, your automated virtual assistant, will close the sale for you. Ava will answer the questions. Ava will guide your prospects through the sign-up process. So you'll be notified when a lead comes in. You'll get an email or text. That's the way I have mine set up. You can set that up in your profile, but you'll be notified when a lead comes in, when someone signs up, and when you have money on the way. And of course, you're able to specify how you want to receive your payments, whether you want to accept Cash App, Venmo, Google Pay, what have you. Okay, so this software is intelligent. As you know, everybody has a smartphone, right? We all have a smartphone. Okay, we don't leave home without this. Okay, so it's a great way to reach people. But what makes this even more significant is very simple. As you can see, this is my phone number right here, okay, for my textbot system. If you call that number, go ahead and do a demo on it. It'll walk you through the whole process. But what you can do is you just share your number, or the system gives you landing pages or capture pages, if you will. Just lead people to your link and let the system do the selling and telling for you, okay? So I want to go over it really quickly with you just to kind of show you what it's all about. And then you can check it out and do a demo for yourself. But you're looking for those instant commissions, $100 instant commissions, textbot, okay? Textbot. Texting is the technology. I mean, it's just what it is, okay? Smartphone, automation at its finest, okay? So let's go over it really quickly. All right, so you will collect $100 commissions, okay, with this system. Instant commissions paid directly to you. You don't have to wait on a paycheck to come from the company or any of that. Instant pay. So you get your lead number, okay? Once you join the system, it's going to assign you a lead number, all right? And this number is going to allow you to receive leads of people that's interested in this opportunity. Okay, you'll see all that in your back office, the leads, the names of the people that have actually dialed your number and the interest that they showed in the system. You can even communicate with them if need be, but I'll allow the system to just do everything for me. It's a done for you system. Okay, so Ava, as I explained, is your automated virtual assistant. She'll work for you 24/7, 365 days out of the year. All you need to do, again, is share your number or share your link. And I'm going to show you what that looks like. And it specifies she's going to qualify your folks for you. She's going to answer their questions. You're going to put in some keywords in your back office, and that helps Ava identify, you know, the questions that people are asking, and then she can answer those for you. Okay, so $100. These payments will come in automatically. You have to activate the person. That's the other thing. No one can just get in. Once you receive your payment, you'll go ahead and click off that they've paid, and then that activates the person that signs up with you, their account. Okay, so they can't get in without you getting paid first. They're going to pay the admin, and then they're going to pay you. Okay, but you're the one that's going to mark them as paid. All right, so let's just thumb through it. This is a great marketing system too. I'm going to talk about that as well. Okay, so textbot. Now let's go over, and I'm going to show you the back office. We will have a frequently asked questions page with this marketing system. I'm going to show you. This is a third-party marketing system, and we'll come back to that in a second. All right, let's go over and look in the back office so that I can show you what it looks like once you get started. Now, what I like about Ava, guys, it's not just a text bot. Okay, what it allows you to do is promote your primary business. Okay, when someone joins you and they sign up, when they go to their back office, they're going to see a link for them to click your primary business. So you can plug in your primary business into this as well. So you're getting a 2-for-1. So you're going to be promoting Ava and your primary business at the same time. So when you go in here, you click dashboard. I'm in my back office. You can see that's me right there. And these are my credits, because you're going to need credits so that when people text, when they use your phone number, it uses a credit, but they're very, very reasonable. Okay, so you can check that out when you get in your back office, but I just want to show you this really quickly. So you've got 2 links here. So let's take a look at what they look like. They recently added a new presentation. Okay, the old one is still active, but they have a new presentation. When people opt into the website, they're going to see this. So let me show you what that looks like. Okay, this is the new presentation page. I love it. Check it out. Tap into the power and profitability of text message marketing. Okay, this is pretty slick. And here's a video right here that they'll watch. This is the new one. There's Jeff Long, the owner of textbot. Check this out. Look at all the leads that textbot have generated, and look at the payouts that the affiliates have made, and then all the resellers of the program. There's over 37,000 affiliates like you and I. Okay, that's a part of this program. That's pretty powerful. Okay, so if you promote this, you can promote this. You can send traffic here as well. Okay, you can just share this link. People go here, and then they'll get the presentation. Okay, so this is the new page. I like it. I like it a lot. Now let me show you the old one. This is probably the one that you have seen quite a bit of. This is still active. Okay, it still works. They just added a new presentation, which is what I just showed you. So when people go here, okay, they'll hit this.
Hey, I'm Jeff.
Okay, and then they'll hit continue, and this is where they put their phone number in, and this is where the process starts right here. Okay, and they become a lead. All right, so this is awesome. Now let's take a look at the back office. Okay, so as you can see, there's 2 links, and then if you click right here, That's the phone number that you're assigned. So go to dashboard, and this will automatically pop up with your 2 links. But if you click this button, this is your mobile number. Okay, so just sharing either the link or the phone number is going to get leads coming into your system. All right, and then we go here. Your leads are here. I don't want to click this because it will reveal names and emails and phone numbers of people, but I just want to show you really quickly to your left where everything is. Right here is where you make your custom keywords, and they have a little video in here to show you how to do that. Okay, and then your settings. This is very important. Now this is where I list my primary business. You can switch this out back and forth, but you go into settings, and this is where you put your primary business. Okay, so right here I've got my direct mail business that I'm putting in here right now. That's what I'm promoting. So when folks sign up with me and they click that button, I'm going to show you where that is. Hang on a second. Okay, when you go further down on your dashboard, right here it says your inviter's recommended business opportunity. So the person that I joined, if I click here, it takes me to their primary business, the person that I joined. Okay, so when you join me, you'll have that same option, and you'll see my primary business. And of course you can change that out at any point in time. Okay, now if you click resellers right here to your left, you'll see your links, you'll see the presentation leads. You go right here and join the Facebook group. Okay, right here are resources that give you email swipe copy, and it also gives you some different videos that you can promote, okay, in here. And then right here shows your commission, your team, leverage line, and so forth. Okay, everything is right here, but very simple. Now let me show you where you set up your payment options. Okay, what you do is you go into settings right here. You go into profile. Just click profile right here. Okay, you click profile. Under profile, I'm not going to click it, but right here it says payment methods. Okay, that's what you're going to click, and you'll see the different options for you to set up PayPal, Cash App, and all these other merchant accounts or apps, if you will. Okay, very simple. It takes less than 5 minutes to set this up, guys. Okay, so very simple, guys. So just know you have a software that you can use to promote your primary business, as well as you're promoting the textbot at the same time. Now let's switch gears real quick. Let me show you the third-party marketing system. That's optional. You don't have to use that at all, but just want to give you that option and show it to you. So hang on a second. Okay, so here is the page of the third-party system. Okay, it's only $19.95 a month for this one. And let me show you, once you enter your information, I'm going to put the link below so you can check it out too. I'm going to show you where it takes you. Okay, it takes you over to this particular page here, and this video is what they will see.
In the next 10 minutes,
Okay, so you get this video, then it brands you with this one. Your picture is here, your contact information, and this is what you saw earlier, and it automatically populates, it'll populate your phone number once you plug in your information on the profile, and it kind of just goes over everything about the text bot. Okay, so again, this is optional, but I like it as well, so I use them both. Okay, so this is a very nice page. And it captures your leads. You'll have a back office where you can track those as well, and an autoresponder will go out on your behalf to continue to follow up with your prospects. Now, when they click here, let's say they want to get started, it takes them over here, right? This is a page you're familiar with. Okay, it takes them right here, and this is where they'll start the process. Okay, so that is another option for you. All right, so I'll put the link below for this system if you're interested in it. You may be already in TextBot and you're looking for a third-party system. So that will work for you. Or if you're deciding that you want to go ahead and take advantage of this textbot system that pays you $100 commissions, you have the option to get the third-party system. Okay, so here you have it, guys. Text message marketing. You can get paid for just sharing a phone number or sharing your links. And I run ads for this as well. So when you join me, I'll be happy to share that with you as well. I'll show you where I run some ads. And I use a few sources, okay? Traffic sources that I'll show you that I use to get leads to take a look at this opportunity. All right, so that's it. That's what I've got for you today. TextBot. It's a great system. Let me show you the Facebook group real quick. Hang on a second. Okay, we have a Facebook group here, guys, too. Let me show you this. I want to show you that people are making money with this system. I'm going to find this in here. Hang on a second. Now, these are the ones that excite me when I see a brand new person right here. Got my first sale. Welcome, Kimberly. Okay, she got her first sale, and she says it right here. Okay, so that way you know it's not just, you see some of the people that you've seen a lot out here that has been making money with any opportunity. You have a brand new person that made their first sale, so this absolutely works. Let me show you some more testimonies on this page too. Check this one out. I want to show you. Hang on here and look at this. This is a young lady that's using drop cards. That's another thing you can use too, guys. I'll put a link below for some drop cards too if you're interested in dropping these cards to promote TextBot. But check this out. Here's someone right here has made $6,000 so far with this system, guys. So it definitely works. If you're interested in something simple, sharing a number, sharing a link, TextBot, and using technology, okay, because that's where it is. People are on social media. People are using smartphones to make money online. Okay, that's just where it is now. All right, so you might as well join the world because that's where everybody is, and a lot of people are still quarantining like myself. I do get out and do some things, but I use my mask. So make sure you put your mask on when you're out there too. But people, it's driving people more online, more than ever. So between them being on social media, they're using their smartphones and finding ways to make money from home. So this is another opportunity to do that. So with that being said, guys, make sure you click that link below. Go check it out or call the number. I'll put them both below so you can check them out. And the marketing systems. But go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. I look forward to working with you in TextBot and seeing you on the inside. Till next time, be safe out there and have a blessed day.